the various units. Now when it comes to what to length, they are by various units. So, but the common one we know is what centimeter, meter, and what kilometer. This is what we have been used to. Do you get that? But as we move on, as we move higher, you now see what yard, inch, miles, and what and feet. So, what is the relation between them here? Now, because for you to come from one unit to the other, the first we want to know is to what know the relation between the units. Do you get that? So now, what's the relationship? So now, let me give you the relationship I want to use in length. Here we have what 1 mile because of 1760 what yard. You get that? 1 yard because of what 3 what feet. 1 feet equals to what 12 what inch. 1 inch equals to what 2.54 centimeter. 100 centimeter equals to what 1 meter. 1000 meter equals to what 1 kilometer. So these are my various units now when it's come to length. So I want to take one question. You get. So now as you keep on using this this unit here now, this relationship now, you are used to like what I've said for now. When a question give it to you, they can either give you an int. So the int is what is the relation between the units you are converted to. Now you are converted from and what you are converted to. Do you get? But sometimes it will not be given to you. That is why you need to what you need to what to be used to what these conversion factors. Do you get that? So that is the reason why I'm actually what giving what the various what you need. Do you get that? Because they normally ask this kind of question in your exam. So this is the reason why I want to what to pay very close attention. Another reason why I'm teaching this stuff here because the knowledge of this conversion factor will help you to what understand some other calculation now when it comes to chemistry and what and physics, and I can what easily convert from one into what to the other. That is why this thing is what very vital. Do you get that? So now let's take the first question. Now, if you are being given convert 30 centimeter to what kilometer, you get that? So now let's do this one here. Remember, I don't know the relationship between centimeter and what kilometer. I only know that from centimeter I can move to what meter, and from meter I can move to what to kilometer. Do you get that? So you say that I move for centimeter to what to meter before I get to what to kilometer. Do you get that? So now I need to what to write the relationship between this guy and this guy and this guy and this guy. Do you get that? So now what's the relation between centimeter and meter? So here we have what 100 what centimeter equals to what 1 what meter, right? Then here we have what 1000 meter equals to what 1 kilometer. You get. So this is the relationship I'm using in this what calculation here. So where are we converting to? We are converting to what to kilometer, right? So I convert to what to kilometer. Now what are we converting? We are converting what 30 what centimeter by what 1 times. Now let's say the first one here. Remember, you must arrange in such a way that they must cancel each other left one with 0 what unit, right? Now centimeter what will go to the down, so centimeter and centimeter what will go out, then 1 meter what will go to the top. You get. So now we're going to be what 1 meter. Here we have what 100 what centimeter. Do you get that? Now the reason is that so centimeter and centimeter what will go out, so we are done with this guy here. Times. The next is what now. Because my meter is already at the top, so this one will go to the down, the kilometer will be at the top. So we're going to be what 1 kilometer. We have what 1000 what meter. Why? So this guy and this guy want to go out. Yeah, so what we have here? We have 30 times 1 kilometer. Or what 100 times what 1000. So what I have to do to what push your calculator what and get your answer. So now let's push our calculator here. 30 divided by 1000 times 3 exponential minus what 4 kilometer. That is what the calculation. 15 yard to what to centimeter. How do you convert from 15 yard? How do you convert from 15 yard to what to centimeter, right? So you move from yard to what to feet. Therefore feet you move to what to inch. Therefore inch you move to what to centimeter. Can you see that? So I move from yard to feet, from feet to what to inch, from inch to what to centimeter. Do you get that? So this is what you're actually working with. You get so you're going to write a mathematical statement to illustrate one here to solve it. So it's going to be what centimeter, because we are converting to centimeter equals to what? Now we are converting what 15 yards over what 1 times. Now let's say the first one here, right? 1 yard equals to what 3 feet, right? So yard will be at the down, 3 feet will be at the top. So we're going to be what 3 feet over what 1 yard. So at yard and yard what we go at times. Next one is what 1 feet equals to what 12 inch. So 12 inch will be at the top, 1 feet will be at the down. So this is what we got, right? Times. Next is what centimeter. Centimeter will be at the top 2.54 centimeter. So we have what 1 what inch. You get. So you can see that inch and inch what to go at. So what are we left with? We are left with what 15 times 3 times 12 times 2.54 centimeter over what 1 or 1. Do you get that? So what I have to do to what multiply your answers and get your answer. 15 multiply your values and get your answer. 15 times 3 times 12 times 2.54. So here we have 137 1.6 what centimeter. So that is the answer here. So you can see how easy it is to do your conversion process.